Hi, my name is Caitlin Coakley, and I'd like to welcome you to Eagle Cove Estates by A&M Home Partners. I'm going to show you my 3 favorite features of this beautiful home. My first favorite feature of this home is the chef's kitchen. With the highest end of stainless steel appliances, uber chic lighting fixtures, and quartz marble countertops, this kitchen makes it easy to entertain. The luxurious master bathroom has it all. With radiant floor heating, a glass enclosed shower, and a freestanding soaking tub, it feels like you're at a spa. The spacious walk-in closet is to die for. Lastly, one of the most unique features of this home is its garage. Measuring 53 feet deep, it can hold up to 3 cars, it can be a workshop, or it can hold all of your ski and water toys. For more information or to schedule a private showing, please reach out. My name is Caitlin Coakley, and real estate is my passion.